Alright, so what's good, y'all? I was thinking, I bought my mics. It's been a couple of weeks now, but I've never even opened the box, so I figured this would be a good unboxing. What I'm about to do, I'm about to put a couple of chairs together for my neighbor, and I was like, what better time than now to actually see what these mics are hitting on. So right now, obviously, I don't have any mic on me or anything like that, but I was actually thinking about going live. But whatever the case, I'll figure that out. But Rode wireless micro, it'd be real funny if these wasn't even charged, but I bought these from Best Buy. I don't know if they were on sale or not. I saw them for 99 bucks, and I figured why not? Like I posted on my community post, I called it a treat for myself, which is in turn gonna help my content. So let's see what we got in the box. Oops. We got the box sleeve. We got the box. I'm gonna lie, this is a lot better than my Amazon box that I got with my cheap mics. But I know that they're gonna be better quality, so. See, we got some wind muffs, USB-C cable. Okay. Quick start guide. What's that? Desiccant. Do not eat. And whatever, safety guide, blase, blase, blah. So, let's see what this is hitting for. Okay. That's a nice carrying case. Got the charger port towards the back of the case. Got some clips on the back of the microphones. Got two microphones in the case, which is good because with my Amazon mics, the clips are sideways, so they will always sit like this. So now with the Rode mics, I could clip them onto my shirt, and the part that you talk to will be pointed up. So that's pretty damn nice. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Let's see, so let's take one of the mics. Let's add it to the wind muff. Oh, that's a pretty solid clip. Cause on these, it'll work, but it's very easy for the wind muffs to come off of the mic. So yeah, that's pretty damn good. And then not too like bulky or overwhelming, I should say. And then you have your receiver here, which plugs into the phone, USB-C, which is cool. So let's get outside. Let me start putting these chairs together for my neighbor, and guess we'll have a talk, while I'm doing the assembly of the chairs. you know, under normal quote unquote working conditions. Oh, and before I get started, one more note to mention is that the case is magnetic. So I thought that was pretty cool. So even with the wind muffin, you know, pretty cool in my book. But yeah, let's get going.
Yeah. I get the bag today. I get the bag today. Like I get the bag today. I get the bag today. Like I get the bag today. I get the bag today. Like I get the bag today. Like I get the bag today. Like I get the bag today. I get the bag today. Like I get the bag today. I get the bag today. Like I'm in the city, got bags on me. Cause I got that money, I got that out. She just in the party, yeah, she play with it now. Just got me in my body, yeah. Hotel lake on find me, yeah. I'm supposed to cook inside me, yeah. In front of the bank, not the side of that. We got the phones, we line on my house. Too many bitches don't know the trust. All black hoodie, you know it's us. Push star, you can't fuck with us. Let's go, nigga, we out. I'm in the trap, I'm sitting on the bell. I got a Glock in my backpack next to the scale. Running through fire, I'm coming from hell. He ain't no fish, I know he gon' tell. I cut a plug and he sent it through mail. He acting slow and he slower than snails.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this took me about maybe 45 minutes. The ease of building it, I give it a good 7.5 out of 10. Like, it was very easy. And then supposedly once you pull these pins right here and right here, the chair's supposed to be able to collapse. Not too damn shabby. So what's good, y'all? I had a little bit of an issue trying to get the app downloaded for the microphone and stuff like that. And this is actually days after I had actually shot the video. But I think I got everything working. I was having like the worst time trying to get the settings right and everything paired. You know, I'll call that user error. Thanks to Snowflake. For those who don't know, that's my chat GPT, but I got everything situated. So this is the sound with me actually wearing the mic. I was gonna try to wear the mic, you know, while I was out building my neighbor's chairs and stuff for him. And of course my my phone had overheated because that day when I did the chairs, it was actually like 92 degrees outside. So yeah, it was hot. But, you know, this is an overall first opinion of the mics. I like the fact that they're very compact. There's very limited control as far as being able to adjust the gain and whatnot, you know, as compared to some of the higher end mics, which is expected. But I think overall, I can't complain. I did compare these mics to my Amazon mics that I have. And, you know, for the added price tag, I think it's well worth it. And plus, you know, with you see how many different there's microphone inputs on the top and on the sides. So that's a pretty good feature. Plus with the mic pointing up for the most part. as opposed to my Amazon mics like I showed you, which the clip is on the side of them. I know there's different mics, but the set I had got, it just so happened that the microphone input was actually, facing the side once you clip it onto your shirt or anything, like clip it on anything else like that. So um would I buy these mics again? Oh yeah, most definitely. Would I recommend them? Yeah. Um, not a very basic starter mic, but it's kind of the mid range. It's not a super expensive top of the line mic either. And it's a very reputable name in microphones. So, you know, all in all, again, you get what you pay for. And so far, so good. I'm very happy with my purchase. And maybe one day in the future, I'll be able to upgrade, to the next level. But for now, I'm just ready to start shooting some content using these mics and seeing how the gain or the audio levels are, once I actually am talking, or if it picks up ambient noises and things like that. So yeah, I know this video might not be too useful for most people, but I know some people were waiting to hear my thoughts and my feedback on these. So yeah, any questions, drop them in the comments, let me know. I'll be sure to respond to everybody. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.